आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is, the oxidation number is changed in which of the following case? Over here we are given various cases and we are supposed to tell that the oxidation number is changed in which of the following case. So in first option they are saying SO2 gas is passed into Cr2O7 2 negative in acidic medium, right? So we're going to write the reaction one by one and see whether there is change in oxidation number of any species or not. So we are given Cr2O7 2 negative, right? This is reacting with SO2, right, and with 2H positive, and this is gonna form 2Cr3 positive plus 3 sulfate ions plus water molecule, right? So over here if you look at chromium, now let's suppose say that this has a oxidation state of X, right? So we're going to have 2X plus 7 into minus 2 for each oxygen, right? Because oxygen shows oxidation state of minus 2. This is equal to minus 2. That is the charge on the species. So we're going to have 2X would be equal to what? Minus 2 plus this is 14. So this comes out to be 12. So 2X is 12. That means X is coming out to be plus 6. So chromium over here is presented plus 6 oxidation state. Oxygen is minus 2. Then over here sulfur is what? Oxygen. Each oxygen would have minus 2. So we have total minus 4. So this would have plus 4. Then we have H positive. Over here we can see chromium is present in plus 3 oxidation state, right? So there is change in oxidation number. So this would be a correct option for us, right? Because chromium is changing its oxidation number. Then second is aqueous solution of CrO4 negative is acidified. So we're going to take CrO4 negative and then we have two H positive ions, right? This would form Cr2O7, right? And this would have 2 negative charge on it, plus we have water molecule. Now over here again let's say that chromium has a oxidation state of X. Then we have 4 minus 2 for each oxygen. This is equal to minus 2. So X would be equal to minus 2 plus 8. So this comes out to be plus 6. Now let's find the oxidation state of chromium over here. So it would be 2X plus 7 into minus 2 for each oxygen. This is equal to minus 2. That is the charge on the species. So 2X would be equal to what? Minus 2 plus 14. That would be 12. So X comes out to be plus 6. So there is no change in oxidation number of chromium. Oxygen is minus 2, this is plus 1. Oxygen again minus 2, and over here also minus 2. Hydrogen is plus 1. So there is no change in oxidation number in any of the species. So this is not our correct option. Then third is CrO2Cl2 is dissolved in Cr2O2Cl2 is dissolved in NaOH. So Cr2O2Cl2 plus NaOH would form Na2Cr O4. So we're going to have 2 NaOH, right? Now let's find out the oxidation state of chromium. Let it be X plus 2 into minus 2 for each oxygen plus 2 into minus 1 for each chlorine, right? Because this is halogen and would show minus 1 oxidation state, right? So this is equal to 0 because the species is neutral. So X would be equal to what? It would be 2. This is minus and this is minus. So it would be 2 plus 4. So this comes out to be plus 6. Right, chromium is present in plus 6 oxidation state, oxygen in minus 2, this is minus 1. Sodium would be plus 1 obviously because this is group 1 element, and then this is OH negative with hydrogen having plus 1 and oxygen having minus 2 oxidation state. Then over here again this would be plus 1, this would be minus 2. So what would chromium be? It would be X plus 2 into plus 1 for sodium plus 4 into minus 2 for oxygen. This is equal to 0. So X would be equal to, this would become plus 8 minus 2. So this would be plus 6. So again there is no change in oxidation number in any of the species. So this is also not a correct option. Then in fourth case we are giving Cr2O7 2 negative solution is made alkaline. So we would take Cr2O7 2 negative is made alkaline. So we're going to put OH negative and this is going to form CrO4 2 negative plus water molecule. This would be the reaction. Now again Cr2O7 2 negative, we have already find out the oxidation state of Cr2O7 2 negative. In this case, right, it came out to be plus 6. So we have plus 6 chromium and oxygen again minus 2 plus 1. Over here chromium is what? It is again plus 6. We have find out CrO4 2 negative in the above reaction. Over here this is CrO4 2 negative and this was plus 6 again, right? So this is also plus 6 oxidation, plus 1, this is minus 2. So again, there is no change in oxidation number in either of the species. This is also not a correct option. So the only reaction in which the oxidation number is changing and that of chromium is the option number 1. So our answer to this question is option number 1.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।